Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Pepe, followed by Matic, LTC, Fetch, ICP, Leo, Ethereum Classic, and then we're ending with Aptos at number 30. Let's get straight into it. Pepe against USD. Okay, to be honest, I already count 5 waves here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 waves, ladies and gentlemen. It's already 5 waves. How much higher could we go? Oh, again, we're not really sure. It is super overbought. Again, I would not recommend rushing into here to go long for Pepe. So for Pepe, it's a no-go. Do nothing. It's not... Again, I don't see any bearish reversals yet. I don't see any bullish continuation chart pattern that is of high quality. It's just... We had 3 waves down. And after that, it's just... up. It's like, yo, bro. So Pepe is very, very bullish. So yeah, but again, just trade-wise, I don't think it's a smart idea to be rushing in now. We still need to wait for a retrace first. But anyways, already 5 waves. So if anything, I'll just, give Pepe a miss for the moment. Matic! Oh my god. Sandeep, what's happening? Matic against BTC continues dropping. Oh my god. Again, there's a noisy area over here. So we're anticipating Matic to hit a little bit lower, towards sub 800, 700 maybe. We're at 1000 right now, so yeah, this is so weak. Feels to me like a continuation down. So again, be careful about going long for Matic against USD. Matic. Okay, there are 2 areas for Matic. Okay, we'll talk about first area first. I'm gonna assume that the noisy area over here will hold Matic, and then there will be a bounce back up, right? Completing a very nice squeeze over here. That's the best case scenario, right? Because this thing, to be honest, oh my god, it's a rising channel. Rising channel usually breaks lower. If the preceding trend of the rising channel is bearish, the subsequent trend should be bearish as well. So if anything, we're anticipating more downside. And Matic against BTC is so weak. So yeah, again, I would preach caution. We may even sweep the lows over here. So if we sweep the lows over here, I'm going to assume that we're going to sweep this low as well. So Matic is just not really looking that good at the moment. Litecoin against BTC. Here we are for Litecoin. Again, just like Matic on the BTC pair. It's just down. Ever since, where is this? 2013. Yeah, it's just down. No signs of life. No signs of a reversal for Litecoin against BTC, right? There was a rally, but after that, yeah, it failed. Every time it rallies, it fails and it drops lower. It rallies and drops lower. I suspect the next rally that comes on will also result in Litecoin dropping even lower than where Bitcoin is. Against USD, Litecoin, we're still having a bearish view for Litecoin. Again, this is a very big mountain range, which I think is just, waiting, right? It's stewing and waiting for the break to come. And we're expecting $32 to be hit for Litecoin. It's just not really looking that good. So... yeah, nope. Fetch against BTC. Here we are for Fetch. So Fetch is very close to the top, right, for the BTC pair. How much higher do I think we could go? Probably, again, there's a noisy area around this area. So my assumption is at around 8,000. Right now we are at 3,000, maybe 7,000, 8,000. So a little bit more upside for Fetch against BTC. There was a kind of if you were to cut through the week over here, right? Value 1, something like an ABC, DE, and then pump out. Kind of a retest. We're expecting continuation for Fetch against BTC, which means that it is bullish against BTC. This is what you want to see. Fetch against USD is up, but in terms of tradability, it's like, yo, bro. Again, if we had to count the waves, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it, 5. This could be the end. Again, I could be wrong. This holding could be 1, 2. This could really be 3. We could be getting a 4 and another 1, 5. That's it. And if anything, Fetch against USD looks like a rising channel. So I suspect this could be a 3-wave move down as well, right? A, B, C. Sweeping the lows here, right? Sweeping all the lows over here. Maybe even this as well. So I'll be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Fetch at this point of time. ICP against BTC. Here we are for ICP. Okay, ICP is touching the skinny pink line, which is not good. We actually did rally past the skinny pink line, and we were anticipating a bullish continuation, but it didn't come. It dropped instead, right? This whole thing actually did have potential, right? If you were to go back in time, replay, you will see way back in February 2024, you'll be like, hey, hope, right? Your body will be full of hope, and you'll be expecting a continuation for ICP against BTC. But yeah, reality kicked in, and the wheels just lagged behind BTC, and you can see that there's just no strong buying pressure for ICP, and ICP is forming a head and shoulders, not the kind of chart pattern we want to see. So head and shoulders usually result in more downside. But from a bullish perspective, we are above the skinny pink line. So the bullish bias remains for ICP, and we're still hoping that ICP could still continue higher, right? But we still need to see the chart pattern switch bullish though. This is bearish to me. So mixed signals on ICP. Leo against BTC. Here we are for Leo. Okay, Leo is still under the skinny pink line, still in a bearish trend. Another wave lower, potentially past 6,005. Right, sweep the lows over here before going back up. But Leo is forming a very nice squeeze. I think Leo is setting up for the next cycle of the halving, the next run. So I'm like, I kind of like what I see on Leo. On the USD pair, Leo is above the skinny pink line, which is great. One more wave up. Yep. One. This whole thing is a 2. Up 3, 4. One more wave. We're probably going to clear these highs though. So one more up wave for Leo USD. The Ethereum Classic against BTC. Here we are for Ethereum Classic. Again, just like Litecoin, just like, oh my god, it's just not looking good, right? We're down. We're under the skinny pink line, right? We did break above it though, but then we failed to sustain the move, and we just collapsed all the way back down. Oh my god, more lower targets for Ethereum against BTC. Yeah, potentially. We don't see any signs of life yet for Ethereum Classic against BTC. So again, I will be very careful about going long for Ethereum Classic against USD. Okay, there is some potential, right? We're just gonna redraw things here. Okay, let's just leave it. Right. Let's just leave it. So for Ethereum Classic against USD, there is a potential. Not exactly textbook perfect. Then inverse head and shoulders could be appearing over here. Just like what's happening on BTC. BTC is also in the midst of creating a right shoulder. So once the right shoulder is complete, we're anticipating Ethereum Classic to break towards the upside following BTC. The only thing is that against BTC, Ethereum Classic seems to be moving slower, less volatile, especially towards the upside. So to be honest, the money is better put into BTC. But at the same time, this is also gearing up to be an ABCDE, right? A squeeze over here. Can you see this, boys and girls? Can you see this? ABCDE. Breakout. We have a target over here, $86.32, which we acquired way back in March. And we're still anticipating it to hit, as of now, 169% towards the upside for Ethereum Classic. I don't think ETC is done yet. We're probably going to be clearing these highs and these highs. Yeah, to bring us to sub 90 cents, 86.32, $86. So again, hopefully we get something of a high quality over here first, right? We might be consolidating a little bit longer, and then maybe only in like July, August do we see a super rally for Ethereum Classic. But I suspect Ethereum Classic will follow BTC. So yeah, there you go. Aptos against BTC. Here we are for Aptos. Anything for Aptos? Uber weak again. Mountain range. Bam! Slam down. Any signs of life? Nope. Aptos against USDT. Here we are for Aptos. Anything for Aptos? Yeah, you touched the skinny pink line. That's not good. This was a very nice rally. But we got slapped all the way back down. More upside? Yeah, potentially. Potentially more upside. Maybe past $10, 11, 12. And we anticipate a drop back towards the downside, clearing and sweeping all of these lows over here eventually. That's the expectation, right? We might muck around a little bit, but we are still expecting it to clear all of these clusters of cells. So yeah, to me, Aptos is a no-go, not at this point of time. So I'll be careful about rushing to a trade too soon for Aptos. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 30. And if you have yet to check the the top 20 that we did yesterday. Go check it out. See you in the next one. Ta-da.